Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're unboxing the Xiaomi Pad 7. Check the description to get the best price on Amazon. Look at this sleek design. Crafted from aluminum alloy, it's thin and light. Feels premium in hand. Let's power it on. Wow, the 3.2K display. 11.2 inches of pure clarity. 144 Hz refresh rate. Super smooth visuals. Perfect for videos and multitasking. Dolby Vision support. 800 nits peak brightness. Stunning HDR content. Eye care functions included. TV Rhineland certified. Your eyes will thank you. Quad speakers with Dolby Atmos. Immersive sound experience. 200% volume boost. Great for music and movies.
Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3 Insight.
Powerful performance. AI capabilities are impressive. Handle office tasks seamlessly. Generate texts and images. Conduct meetings effortlessly. HyperOS 2 for smooth multitasking. Intelligent resource allocation. Seamless experience guaranteed. HyperConnect for better connectivity. New evolved conference tools. Fill light, interpret features. Cross-device camera support. Silky smooth meetings. Large 8,850 mAh battery. Long-lasting usage. Supports 45W turbocharging. USB Type-C port. No adapter included though.
Wi-Fi 6E for fast internet.
Bluetooth 5.4 connectivity. Advanced sensors on board. Accelerometer, gyroscope, ambient light sensors. IR remote control feature. 13MP rear camera. 4K video at 30 frames per second.
8MP front camera. 1080p video at 30 frames per second.
Great for photos and videos. Stylus support for creativity. Turn sketches into masterpieces. Perfect for artists. Also great for note-taking. Students will love this. Professionals too. Boost productivity easily. Overall, a versatile tablet. Ideal for tech enthusiasts. Perfect for students. Great for professionals. Enhance your creativity. Boost your productivity. Experience stunning visuals. Enjoy immersive sound. Handle tasks effortlessly. Highly recommended. Check out the Xiaomi Pad 7 now. Link in the description. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.